You would like to add additional information to your drawing and get an easy and fast access to this information? With File Linker and Mind Manager, all the information is immediately available to you very quickly and easily. To assign all the information captured in Mind Manager to a drawing, simply select the Assign Document Maps command in File Linker. Select the application you are working with and assign a name for the information file. Click on the Save button to assign the document. Now the document is directly linked to your drawing. To indicate that more information is available for a drawing, a small green rectangle is displayed in the File Linker icon. To access this information, select the Document Maps command in the File Linker menu. Select the application you are working with and click the Select button. Select the desired information and click the Open Document Map/Link button. Mind Maps can store texts, images, emails, appointment information, structures, workflow processes, or other important links to other information sources.